she got into something when she knew that the other person did not want the same thing. Prime example of कि आप किसी को कितना भी दे दो. Hi, I'm Arya. Welcome back to my channel. I recently watched Musafir Cafe. Actually, मैंने series कल ही complete करी थी and I just wanted to share my thoughts on it. So basically, some of my friends recommended कि it's a very light-hearted series, a fun watch, but my thoughts are a little different on it. A little different तो नहीं मतलब after the series I was very perplexed कि चल क्या रहा है. So here is my thought on the series and if you ever watch this तो प्लीज़ डू कमेंट बिलो कि आपको क्या लगा और आपको कैसा लगा द सीरीज. स्टार्टिंग विद चंदर, आई फील चंदर वाज अ गाय जिसका एक पैटर्न है इन दैट सीरीज ऑफ गेटिंग लेड ऑन. ऑनेस्टली I feel that guy has had a pattern of relationships pointed out by his mother as well. He knew exactly what Sudha wanted. Still, he chose to be with her and उसको पता था हमेशा से that सुधा को long term नहीं चाहिए, long term चीज़ें नहीं चाहिए. Still, he decided to be with her and side with her. So, चीज़ किस टाइम का रास्ता देख रहा था. In this, जो चीज़ मुझे ज़्यादा I was a bit perplexed was that he needed an 8 year window for somebody for Preeti and he would still long for Sudha. मतलब चल क्या रहा है even if you have a little bit of soft corner, a little bit of any sort of feelings for somebody in your past, why would you drag somebody else in this mess with you? And that mess was self created, I feel. So Sudha is shown as a girl who is extremely ambitious and extremely driven, and I get all that. I completely get it. But if you don't want something long term, if you're not looking for a marriage, why waste somebody else's time? Sudha को शादी नहीं करनी थी. स्टिल वो सूटर्स देख रही थी ठीक है अपनी मम्मी को या अपने घर वालों को मनाने जो भी पॉइंट था इन द सीरीज जब चंदर when she had gone to her hometown in Ratlam and Chandar was still meeting and looking at suitors and at that time as well Sudha was a bit jealous sort of ऐसा दिखाया था कि वो jealous हो रही है. Chandar was speaking something about the suitors that he's meeting. तो व्हाई वुड यू वेस्ट समबडी एल्सेस टाइम जब तुमको पता है कि तुमको ये चीज़ में नहीं जाना एंड सामने वाले को जाना है. ड्यूरिंग द एंडिंग ऑफ द सीरीज व्हाई in your wildest dreams would you visit that cafe when you know that that person is settled now? Settled to nahi but jo bhi matlab he has somebody in his life. Why would you jump in and jump out of his life? Why would you do that? I understand the ambitious part, I understand everything, but if you're keeping your relationship um second to your career, why would you then get with somebody who does not want the same things in life as you do or whose priorities are not the same? सुधा का मुझे तो ये लग रहा था कि live and let live का concept is very valid in her case. Next was Preeti, a prime example I feel of when you're just giving and you're not expecting anything in return. People will take you for granted their entire life and even your entire life, and that could be a window of 8 years. 8 साल के गैप के बाद भी कोई क्लैरिटी उसको चंदर की तरफ से नहीं थी. I felt that is a really sad situation to be in. He's also a prime example for girls that if you revolve your life around a guy, it could end up in a situation where he still might not choose you. She was clearly the one who was more talented, who was putting in so much work, जिसकी राइटिंग की वजह से इतने सारे लोग मुसाफिर कैफ़े आ रहे थे. But still she somehow sort of had revolved her entire life around Chandar for putting them ahead of everything in your own life. Chandar was still not sure about her and कि हाँ तुम मिल लो अपनी एक्स से वो इतने टाइम बाद आई है. व्हाट डू यू मीन? वो जो एंड के जो लास्ट एपिसोड था, व्हाई वाज शी ओके डूइंग दैट? मतलब the first question that you should have been asking your partner was that how does she even know that you are still walking this earth? Does she still know why she's still interested? Why do you want to meet? Why does that even cross your mind कि ठीक है I want to meet her? I mean लोग maturity के नाम पे longing के नाम पे बहुत चीज़ें बहुत labels देते हैं, but I still feel that there is no reason that, this is my opinion, that there is no reason that your past life should meddle with your present. And if your past life is not sorted, if you still have mixed feelings, if you're not over it in any way, in any way, please don't be with somebody else. एंड एट द सेम टाइम प्रीति का तो ये था दैट शी न्यू समवेयर, कोई तो एक एपिसोड में वो शायद किसी और को याद कर रहा था, एंड तुम्हारे चेहरे पे एक्सेप्टेंस था. व्हाट डू यू मीन? और प्रीति वाज स्टिल ओके विद इट. मतलब how are you okay with all this? I feel one of the biggest takeaways through this is also कि you don't have to accept everything. Like somebody should not have to put you through dirt just so that you're proving their love to them. That was so weird. And this entire scenario was so weird. तो ये चीज़ मुझे तो बहुत weird लगी थी. When I was watching on the internet that what do other people think about this, I did not find any love angle in this at all. I feel all the three characters somewhere were very flawed. And Preeti was a prime example of, if you revolve your life around somebody, or if you're only the giver in a relationship and you're just accepting everything blindly, there are no consequences of the other person's actions, it will take a toll on you. And you are the only one compromising in the relationship. Preeti was the prime example of this. Apart from this, तीनों characters के इतने सारे flaws थे, and so I went on the internet to read ki what are other people's opinions on this, and I also found many people posting long paragraphs, emotional paragraphs of longing, first love, और पहले पहले प्यार की कहानी अलग ही होती है, and romanticizing all of these things. And it is not romantic at all, according to me. So, all in all, I really think that this should not be the message of love that should go out. Love should not be like that. I don't think so. It should be like this. Love is extremely pure and it should involve only two people. It should be only between two people. A third person should have no part to play in it. Yeah, these were my thoughts. If you watch this video, I hope you enjoy. And if you have anything to say, please leave a comment. Thank you so much. Bye.